Both ways
Make
look
up your
so
fucking
ugly.
mind.
Both ways
Were you
look so
working
ugly.
with what we got, bro?
Okay,
Come on.
Can we at least
I'm
can we
fine.
like rename the tiers? I don't like these names for them.
Alright, you
Bro,
ready for this?
perfect, bro. This is the best ranking ever.
Yeah.
We're ready.
Alright,
For real.
cheese it.
Oh, damn.
Ah,
Those are good.
Walgreens.
You don't wanna know what's crazy?
What?
what?
I'm serious.
Okay.
I'm serious.
Uh,
There's an imposter among us.
Alright.
Okay.
So
put it in Walgreens. I really like
Yeah, well,
those.
Cheez-Its are good.
These are really
alright,
good.
these I
I've
don't
never
care.
tried those.
I don't care. These are
Dumpster
good.
fire.
These are
I
good,
never-
bro.
I've
These
never
are
tried
so
those.
good. Doritos, spicy.
Dumpster fire. Dumpster fire.
sweet chili.
Dumpster.
I think Dorito related
I haven't
is
tried them,
fucking
so I haven't tried.
I think we
Flaming
all know
hot
what this
Cheetos.
is.
Yeah, put it in the Gucci tier or whatever.
Yeah,
Oh
put
my
it in the
God.
gas,
Gas
station.
station.
Oh yeah, that's definitely a gas station
That's
Oh
here.
definitely
my
a gas
god, man.
station.
Y'all bugging the party, man.
Alright, we're going into the
Oh,
Doritos
Fred,
franchise.
Dumpster fire.
For every good chip, there's like 100 bad ones.
Goldfish.
The
remember.
regular goldfish, though?
Nice.
Bro,
Gas station.
no?
Gas
No.
station.
Gas station.
Yes, gas station,
dumpster
bro.
Gas
fire,
station.
in my opinion,
No,
bro.
gas
Dump-
station, bro. There's no
Oh.
I think
way.
I remember this dude named Aaron. He brought a whole big ass bucket of
Bro,
goldfish.
Yo, what up, guys? We're gonna be cooking with me.
Alright, then we're putting in haven't tried. What the heck
Yeah,
was that?
we-
The Lay's.
Slow down the footage. We need to find out.
Me
I've
neither.
never tried.
Oh, no.
Oh, I
Okay.
thought we lost all our progress. I was gonna be mad.
I was gonna cry. Scream.
Alright, you know
Mango
what?
sour cream
I
is
don't
really good.
care.
Gas
This
station.
goes
Gas station.
right here. All the way top. That is so good.
Yep. Wait. No. No.
I haven't tried
It's
them.
not in front of
I haven't tried them
goldfish.
single
Come on.
But they're good.
My heart shatters.
Yeah, put it at like the bottom.
So far.
No, still put it at the bottom.
Alright,
There's no
alright,
gas,
here.
it's a
Let's
gas
make
station.
look.
Whoa.
Let's put it at
Whoa.
Let's put it at Walmart. Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa! Alright.
What a weird tier list ranking.
Wow, look at this
Look at
god
that.
tier list, bro.